Ever wondered when to jump into the Forex market and catch those sweet pips? Let's break down the best times to trade. And yeah, Team Pip Infuse will make it quick and fun. Promise. First up, the 24-hour market madness. Forex never sleeps. It's like a toddler on a sugar high, running 24/5. We've got three main trading sessions: Tokyo, London, and New York. Think of them as different party zones. Tokyo's like the chill after party, London's the rave, and New York? That's when the DJ drops the bass. Alright, let's talk about Tokyo. The chill zone. This session runs from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT. It's like early morning coffee trading. Chill but not too wild. If you like meditating to your charts, this one's for you. Low volatility, more predictable moves. Now onto the London session, the hype zone. London session runs from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. GMT, where things get wild. This is where the market parties. The volume cranks up, and you'll find pairs like EUR-USD busting out their best moves. If you're looking for drama, this is like a reality show with charts. Next up, the New York session. DJ drop the bass. New York session runs from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. GMT. It's the session that says, "Hold my coffee," and gets to work. It's when the London party's still going, and New York brings the energy drinks. USD pairs are like the loud guys at the party. They make the most noise. Alright, so when's the best time to join the party? During the overlap between London and New York, from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. GMT, most volatility, most action. It's like happy hour for traders, but instead of drinks, you get market moves. Quick tip. Remember, more action means more opportunities, but also more chances to get slapped by the market. Use protection, aka stop losses. To recap, Tokyo for chill vibes, London for the wild moves, New York for power trading. Pick your party, but know the rules. Just don't be that trader who shows up late and wonders why the party's over. Smash that like button if this helped you, subscribe for more tips, and let's make those pips. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.